Hari Om. Well, managing diabetes is not just about managing your pancreas. Diabetes affects many end organs, and therefore it's important to manage these organs well. One of the places where diabetes has quite a profound impact is on the extremities, the toes, the fingers, and nerve endings which could develop neuropathies. Now, how do you keep all these areas stimulated and active? Different kinds of clapping practices can help. A demonstration of a couple of clapping practices. Just bringing your fingertips together, you clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can see all the pressure points at the fingertips get activated with this practice. Another way to clap, bringing the sides of your palms together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And like this, different surfaces of the palms and the feet can be used to prevent neuropathies. Enjoy the practice, enjoy the clapping, and join us for our workshop. Hari Om.